Under Getting Started, or Start Here, if renamed, there are 4 submodules added to help you set students up for success. The topic pages within each submodule serve as a guide. They are designed to meet accessibility standards and can be easily edited. The first submodule is Welcome and Overview. To edit the topic page within this submodule, click the down arrow next to the title of the topic page and select Edit HTML. Delete this text and begin typing how you have organized the course content and indicate what students should do first, basically where to begin. Include other information you would typically provide to students during the first day of classes in a face-to-face course. To insert additional headings, click the down arrow in the paragraph box and select the desired heading size. Be sure to click Save regularly and click Save and Close when done. Also, consider adding an introductory video to help students get to know you. To do this, click the Insert Stuff icon. Add a video note, which means you can create a video recording here to be inserted on your page. Search and add a video note you previously created within Brightspace, or insert a link to a video, or enter an embed code for a video uploaded and streamed using CITL's hosting service, for example.